Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about simplifying an expression with exponents. So let's get right to it. So we're going to be simplifying 3 to the 4th times 3 squared all over 3 cubed. And we're going to write our answer as a power. In other words, we want our answer to be in simplest form, not final form. With that said, we got to go through a few things. We got to know our order of operations. What do we do first? Do we add, subtract, multiply, divide, exponents, or parentheses? So we got to be able to know how that works, even within expressions of these. These are called kind of subsets because parentheses create groups, and you're looking at each group individually. You must complete all groups. So first things first, if you don't remember, fraction bars are grouping symbols. So this means we have a group in the numerator and a group in the denominator. So we have to do what's in groups first. All right, the simplest way to look at that is we're going to take 3 to the 4th times 3 squared first, and then it's going to be divided by 3 cubed. Because this is a group. The numerator is a group, the denominator is a group. It doesn't matter how many operations there. It doesn't matter what is there. If it is above a single fraction bar, it is grouped together. If it is below the fraction bar, that is a second group altogether. So that means we're going to be taking 3 to the 4th times 3 squared first, which is just going to be 3 to the 4 plus 2 first, and then dividing by 3 cubed. Now this is going to be the same thing as 3 to the 6 divided by 3 to the 3rd. Now here, because it's division, remember opposite of multiplication is division. That's the same thing as copying down the base, in this case 3, and 6 minus 3. It may look more familiar if we rewrite it how we're used to saying it, 3 to the 6 divided by 3 to the 3rd, and that is the same thing we get here. So that's copy the base and then 6 minus 3. And here we get 3 to the 6 minus 3, which is 3. So here is our final answer. That is, again, our simplified answer, not our final answer. If we wanted a final answer, 3 times 3 times 3 is going to be, I'm not going to finish that for you. So make sure you think about it, test yourself, check your knowledge, and see if you can find the answer just without a calculator. Just do it with your head. Otherwise, go ahead and pause the video and copy what is on your screen into your notebook. Now that you're back, anytime you have to rewatch the video for clarity or to remember something, you need to write what you picked up into your notes. Use arrows, circles, shapes, pictures, whatever else you need to, but add it to your notes to make them yours. Last, ladies and gentlemen, you are in school. When you are learning, it's about understanding the process, not about finding an answer. We'll see you tomorrow.